The world is set to witness the blockbuster India versus Pakistan clash once again next year in the ICC Champions Trophy. But where will that match, or for that any matter, other matches of Men in Blue be held? Well, that's of course a big question that remains. Dark clouds are now hovering over those questions. Sources have now suggested that BCCI is against Team India playing any of its matches in Pakistan. In fact, the Indian Cricket Board is expected to knock on the ICC's doors and also urge them to schedule all of their matches either in Sri Lanka or in Dubai. As per initial draft for the Champions Trophy, arch rivals India and Pakistan will face off against each other in Lahore on the 1st of March. It is also very important to understand that Team India has not travelled to Pakistan since 2008, and when global events are scheduled in the neighbouring nation, like the last year's Asia Cup, the Men in Blue ensures that its matches are held in a different country. In fact, addressing the strained ties between the two neighbours, former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah has now suggested that not just India, but it's Pakistan's responsibility also to better the relations between the two nations.
काफ़ी साल हो गए हमने बायलैटरल एक दूसरे के मुल्कों में नहीं खेला है। अब टूर्नामेंट के हवाले से अगर इंडिया की टीम नहीं जाएगी तो ये बीसीसीआई का अपना फैसला है। मैंने हमेशा कहा है कि इस मुल्क में और इन दोनों मुल्कों के दरमियान बेहतर रिश्ते कायम करने में ज़िम्मेदारी सिर्फ हमारे मुल्क की नहीं है। अगर इस मुल्क में बेहतर रिश्ते इन दोनों मुल्कों के दरमियान बेहतर रिश्ते बनाने हैं तो इसकी बहुत ज़्यादा जिम्मेदारी जो है पाकिस्तान की भी बनती है। जिस तरह के हमले हो रहे हैं वो नहीं होने चाहिए, जिस तरह का माहौल बना हुआ है वो नहीं बनना चाहिए। पाकिस्तान को भी अपना इसमें रोल अदा करना होगा कि मुल्क के दोनों मुल्कों के दरमियान जो ताल्लुकात हैं वो बेहतर रहें।
The next big ICC tournament is of course the Champions Trophy that is slated to be played in February 2025, and we can confirm that India will not travel to Pakistan for this tournament, even though the PCB has offered that India can play all its matches in one city to avoid any security hassle or logistical hassle, but that is not enough as far as the Indian board or the Indian government is concerned. We haven't been allowed in the past to travel to Pakistan, and I don't see that changing for the Champions Trophy as well. In fact, the board is expected to suggest ICC, Dubai and Sri Lanka as alternate options. And remember, in 2023 for the Asia Cup, the same hybrid model was used, and that is how the matches had happened. And the BCCI is going to suggest the same hybrid model because we are not going to travel to Pakistan because the board feels that security is of top priority for the entire team, the players, the travelling staff, the travelling entourage, and they are not sure if that can be provided up to the very maximum in Pakistan. And anyways, the ties between our two countries are very complicated. So given all of that in the background, India will not travel to Pakistan, and PCB may reportedly reject the hybrid model, but at the end of the day the ICC will have to come to a decision because it is India that brings the maximum eyeballs in an ICC event.